I suppose I do have another candidate for the No Name Nationals. I think I might have mentioned this in a video before. But this is my ultra crusty 1978 Chevy C10. It's got a 250 inline 6 and a 350 turbo transmission and some horridly high highway gears. Not really sure what ratio it is. It's 12 bolt, but I know it's high geared. Been having issues out of this thing trying to keep it running. It wouldn't draw fuel out of the tank. Put a pump on it, that didn't help. The old one ended up being good anyway. Replaced the lines from the tank up to the pump, or the rubber lines, and then checked the metal ones to make sure they weren't leaking. So that was all good. Still wouldn't draw fuel out of the tank. Checked the sending unit, it was good. So I'm fairly certain the cam lobe that drives the fuel pump is getting wore out, because you can take like a little jug or bottle and put gas in it and put a line, you know, as far as the length of this fender or less away from the fuel pump, and it'll draw fuel out of it intermittently. So finally, what I did the other day was I stuck a good old Mr. Gasket low pressure electric pump in, zip tied that to the inner fender, hooked the line up, and it draws fuel like a champ. It actually runs pretty good. I'll probably still have to put a regulator on it, but let's fire this thing up. I just wanted to do a quick video on this truck. It is rough, but it seems to run good now that I've got a fuel system rigged up here. Flip the key on, flip the pump on, pump it one time, fires right up. There we go. Runs like a true champion. So yeah, probably still won't take it to No Name Nationals, but it's in the running now, or at least more so than it was. And regardless of what happens with No Name Nationals, if you know me personally and have any idea generally where I live, you can expect to see this turd at a car show near you sometime this summer.